Monday.
Yep. April 29. I was waiting for you to step in on that one.
Okay, and we're going for a nice ride. It's 11 o'clock and it's already 80 degrees. We got a few places we want to try. One of them is called Beartown Rocks.
Yep.
So we're going to try to find that. Then we're going to might head over to Dubois Airport and check that place out. It's got a restaurant there called the Flight Deck. So at least we have a couple destinations to try. We might not get there. We don't know. Because if we see something else, we'll just go that way. So stay tuned. And don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss one of our adventures of exploring PA. Oh, what's the other one you said? Winging?
Winging it.
Winging it. Check this place out. We've been by it a few times. At least they got it all uncovered.
That's awesome.
That's cute. Very cute. Okay. They got it uncovered now. Last time it was still covered up. This is on 949. We turned off Route 28 onto 949.
Heading towards Corsica.
Yep. Okay, we're... Oh, I okayed.
Okay. Rewind.
Take two. We're headed to Beartown Rocks. We got about, oh, a nice little stream. We got about 1.5 miles to go. 2 miles, somewhere in there. And of course, it's a state park, so we...
It's dirt.
Correct.
Plain and simple.
But not too bad. No big potholes yet.
I don't know, some of the state forests are better than most Taunton roads.
Yes.
Or the Massachusetts roads, I should say.
And some of PA roads.
Yeah.
So we'll let you know when we get closer to Beartown Rocks. Check this out. Pretty neat.
Over there, it looks like the trees fell
Yeah.
in a circle. It's weird.
Okay.
No okays.
No okays. We still haven't found the rock because we've seen an area. We went by it. And I think we have to walk through the woods a little bit. We'll see. Well, we gave up looking for Beartown Rocks because we walked through the woods for quite a ways and we just didn't have the right equipment, like shoes, so we gave up. Okay, I did it again. Take two. We went looking for Beartown Rocks, and after hiking in the woods for quite a while, it seemed like ages for us. We decided to turn around and come back and say the heck with it.
Well, apparently it's just not, you know, a little walk out in the woods, it's miles out there, so
Yep.
I think we'll pass.
So our next stop, I hope we can find this one, is going to be Dubois Airport. And we're trying to check out the restaurant and lounge or whatever called the flight deck. And we'll see what happens. Well, as you can see, Garmin is
Messed up
again. I don't know, this is the third or fourth dirt road that Garmin has sent us down.
Turn left on Fire Tower Road.
Yeah, we're on Fire Tower Road. We turned off Spring Creek Road, but it's like, really, Garmin? You have dirt roads turned off as avoidances, and you still send us down these ridiculous roads. Get your shit together, Garmin. Done griping. We're trying to figure out what this yellow thing down the middle of the road is. We haven't seen one of them in miles.
Turn left on Humpback Road.
So it's like, really? Oh.
All that to get to this. And we're not even near our destination yet.
1:30 we'll get there. So that's about 20 minutes. Wow.
As long as this don't turn to rock and gravel, we'll be fine.
Yeah. Well, we got some nice views. I can finally get it out of second gear. So stay tuned. We're at Dubois Airport. This is the restaurant called the Flight Deck. It wasn't too bad. Might go back again. We don't know. Well, we had a nice little meal.
Yeah.
Was it fantastic?
It filled a void.
Yep. There's nothing on Plain Jane's in Plymouth, Mass.
Oh. Is there a divide?
All right. So we're on our way home. We maybe got one more stop. We'll see. So keep watching. A pretty view.
It doesn't get more farmier than this.
And we got a little bit of aromatherapy. Yep.
On a full stomach, that is. Oh, yeah.
For 1/4 mile, turn left on Cameron Camp Road.
Oh, yeah. Aroma is the key. I wish this thing had a sniffer so you could get the full effect of our rides. Okay. Yeah. Here's the bench. Look at the view. I believe that's Reynoldsville or something. Isn't that beautiful? Sure. We get a picture. My baby taking a picture. Smile, babe. Oops. Smile.
I did.
There goes home, sweet home. Here we are.
Where do all these kids come from?
I don't know. We're here. We're leaving it out so we can wash it because it's a mess. Bluetooth is a mess. Thanks to Garmin. Okay. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Like we said, the season's just begun. If you got any ideas where to go, let us know.